Hey there, grease gun enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we break down the best tools on the market so you can make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of grease guns, and I've got to say, we've got a real game changer on our hands. Introducing the DEWALT 20V Max Grease Gun.
This bad boy isn't just any old grease gun. It's the best battery-operated grease gun available in the market today.
Let's talk power.
With a motor that delivers up to 10,000 max psi, this grease gun can power through even the toughest clogged grease fittings with ease.
Plus, the high-volume pump pushes up to 5.0 ounces per minute, making it perfect for high-flow applications.
But what sets this grease gun apart from the competition? It's all about control. With the variable speed trigger, you can precisely control the flow of grease, giving you the flexibility to tackle any job with confidence. And let's not forget about convenience. The 42-inch flexible hose allows you to reach even the most hard-to-access grease fittings, while the integrated no-mar foot design lets you rest the tool on flat surfaces without causing damage. Don't just take my word for it.
Customers love this grease gun, and it's easy to see why. From its performance to its value for money, it ticks all the boxes. So there you have it, folks.
The DEWALT 20V Max Grease Gun is the ultimate battery-operated grease gun, delivering power, precision, and convenience in one sleek package. If you're in the market for a grease gun that won't let you down, look no further.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy greasing!